Hello kids, let's learn wild animals name in Hindi and English. So let's start. Bear. Bear means bhalu. White tiger. White tiger means सफेद बाघ. Baboon. Baboon means langur. Bajgar. Bajgar means bijju. Beaver. Beaver means udbilaw. Porcupine. Porcupine means sahi. Hedgehog. Hedgehog means कांटेदार जंगली चूहा. Meerkat. Meerkat means suricate. Bison. Bison means जंगली भैंसा. Koala bear. Koala bear means koala भालू. Elk. Elk means gauzen. Wombat. Wombat means wombat. Mongoose. Mongoose means नेवला. Wild cat. Wild cat means जंगली बिल्ली. Panda. Panda means पांडा. Lion. Lion means शेर. Antelope. Antelope means मृग. Black panther. Black panther means काला तेंदुआ. Hyena. Hyena means लकड़बग्धा. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee means बनमानुष. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.